How to Create a Claude AI Account 2026 Step-by-Step Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Claude AI account step by step, so by the end, you'll be fully signed in and ready to use it. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to claude.ai. Make sure you type the website correctly to avoid fake or unsafe pages. Step 1. Start Sign Up. Once you're on the home page, click on Sign Up or Get Started. This will take you into the account creation process. Step 2. Choose Sign Up Method. Now you'll see two main options: Sign up with email or Continue with Google. If you choose email, enter your email address and continue. If you choose Google, simply select your account and proceed. It's faster and requires less typing. Step 3. Verify your email. If you signed up using email, check your inbox. You'll receive a verification link or code. Click the link or paste the code back into the website. If you don't see the email, check your spam or promotions folder. Step 4. Verify phone number, if required. In some regions, Claude may ask for phone verification. Enter your number with the correct country code. You'll receive an SMS code. Enter it to confirm. If the code doesn't arrive, wait a moment and request a new one. Step 5. Complete setup. Now finish the setup by entering basic details like your name, age. You may also see something called Magic Link Login, which lets you sign in using an email link instead of a password. Final step: start using Claude. Once everything is verified, you'll be automatically logged in. Now you can start using Claude and explore its features. Quick tip: if you ever need to log in again, just go back to the Claude website and follow the login steps. And that's it. You've successfully created your Claude AI account and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.